careful, this video may contain other crap.
You are at the hospital. Administration is right here.
I'm going
Get
to
in
the
there.
emergency room, sir.
Get in there.
Get in there! Get in there! Get in there!
Where-
Get out of my car now.
Where is my
Get out
destination?
of my car now.
I don't. Point at where I
Pulled
am supposed
into
to
your
go.
destination. It said here I was at your destination.
Excuse me, what the actual fuck are you doing in my house? Please get the fuck out right now.
It's over. Get out of my car now.
It said
Get out
1760.
of my car now.
Sir, it said.
Get out of my car now.
Why are you yelling at me?
Because you won't.
But you're not to yell at me. You're not to yell at me.
9-1.
Do it. Do it. Do it, me.
Yes, I fucking will.
You are facing
Get
very.
out right fucking now.
You are facing.
Get
very,
out of my car! I'm
very-
facing a fucking moron! Get out! No!
You're facing.
No!
You have no right to scream at me.
I will fucking talk to you!
Any goddamn way I want.
Really?
Yes, I fucking will.
And I have the right.
Where am I?
You're at a hospital where
Where-
you need to be. Get out of my car! Can you get her out of my car, please?
Going on in this motherfucker. Bitch, pay me that motherfucker.
Fuck up. You just
Motherfucker trick.
motherfucker.
No goddamn line. See what's going on.